Automotive Service and Repair, Main Street, Allison, 319-267-2776. Green Insurance Services and Vernon Mutual celebrate the success of our local graduates. We wish them all the best and are dedicated to their future endeavors. Students' great futures are important to us, and we'll be there when they need us. Together we can trust in tomorrow. Contact Lucas Wedeking and Misty Osborne, your local Grinnell Mutual agents at 641-816-41.